Hello guys, in this video I would like to talk about the ChatGPT replace the programmers, exploring the possibility why ChatGPT replacing the programmer. The first one is in what is the artificial first of all. The artificial intelligence has been making waves in various including tech with the emergence of language models such as ChatGPT. Many wonder whether AI will replace the programmer. I'm not pretty sure. Is going to replace the ChatGPT is going to replace the programmers. ChatGPT is just a language model based on GPT-3 and GPT-4 architecture, trained on massive data sets to generate human-like text inputs. That's right. And actually, the Google how it is working. Once you are typing something else, is going to give you the Google is going to the links, but in here it is going to give the documentation and more text inputs go to give you more in detailed. In prior to Google, chat GPT is going to give you more in detailed the constructive way. That's all. I don't think so chat GPT is going to replace the programmer. In this article we will explore the possibilities of chat GPT replacing programmers or not, and its impact of the tech industry, and we'll see one by one. Will ChatGPT replace the programmers? The short answer is definitely no, guys. ChatGPT is never will go to replace the programmer. ChatGPT will not replace the programmers entirely. However, it has potential to automate some aspects of programming, such as code generation, bug fixing, and documentation. If you want to type it in T, VDD, it will go to give you the more constructive way, as I mentioned. ChatGPT can learn from vast amounts of code and data in terms of making it possible to generate a new code similar to existing. Like if you have existing code, it will go to generate for you in a new code and new tech stack and whatever it may be. Just it will go to once you are typing in that input and you go to bunch of the code, it will go to be display. Based on that, you have to do it without human being and without human interaction. The chat gpt is not going to do anything. So programming in it's a very hard, right? Like it will go to chat gpt. Once you're typing as an input, it will go to give you the just in a documentation and the just a code the different way and optimization way. Just you are going to get that code, and again human being can do a lot of changes in their code as well. Just simply chat gpt will go to replace the programmers as the shit, like it's not going to do it anything. So while ChatGPT can automate some aspects of programming, it cannot replace the human creativity and the critical thinking. That's true. Is critical thinking, human creativity and the critical thinking is not going away anywhere else. On the other hand, required to design and develop complex software applications, right? Yeah, that's the one, guys. And the short answer is no. It's not going to replace any programmer, ChatGPT. So will ChatGPT take away tech jobs? I'm saying 100% is not true. ChatGPT is not threatened to all tech jobs. It has the potential to automate some repetitive and time-consuming tasks, freeing up time for programmers to focus on higher level of tasks. ChatGPT can also enhance productivity, such as the generating code synapse. Yes, code synapse, writing test cases, as I mentioned earlier, either unit testing or end-to-end testing. QA or QA people are doing the automation testing. That one it will go to help you and automating documentation. However, it is essential to note that automation of the some tasks may result in a job interest rather than job loss. Yeah, definitely it will go to we can move to in another tasks. Okay, rather than shift to another responsible role and responsibilities rather than job loss. Not going to be happen anything else, guys. But chat GPT will not take away the any tech jobs. Okay, and then possibility of some jobs will impact. Those are copywriter, technical writers, content creators, data entry clerks, and etc. These jobs is definitely it will go to impact, guys, because the content is compared to Google. The chat gpt is going to give you the more constructive data, so that one it will go to help you the copyright, and maybe it will go to replace the copywriters or technical writers, content creators, data entry clerks, guys. So definitely it will go to impact on these jobs. 100%. And then what is the conclusion? In conclusion, no chat GPT 3.5 or 4 will not replace programmers entirely, guys. Like chat GPT, it can potentially automate some aspects of programming, code generation, and document. However, it cannot replace the human creativity. Definitely, our critical thinking required complex software. Yeah, human critical thinking is very important, guys. Without human being critical thinking, can't do it anything. Because, for example, daily you want to talk to stakeholders, daily you want to talk to product owners and understand acquisition people, understand about the overall the software world. Then you are going to command to the chat GPT or AI, and which tool it is, open AI, which one you going to use it. You can use it and type it in there and get the more information. That information, again, a human being can think about that one, which one is useful, which one is not useful, and we are going to keep it that one, and we are going to talk to that people. As simply is chat GPT will go to talk to the stakeholders, and the business logic is going to understand, never, right? Without human being can't do it anything. Even if you're writing a coding also, the coding part, in just you're typing in something else in the code, chat GPT or AI will go to help you to write it in all the code? Definitely not, right? So in that case, the programmers don't worry in too much about the chat GPT or AI or any other tool. It will come in after 20 years or 30 years or 100 years also. It won't replace the human being and critical thinking, our critical thinking all the time is in the software world, complex and software development and software world, guys. So keep in mind and don't worry about the chat GPT or other things. And this one is coming in chat GPT and other things, and use that is you can use it, enjoy it, and use it in that and more in detail, and type it and get the more code optimization code. Keep it in your one and the best code you can write it, and the way you can, how you are going to use it in chat GPT, that is your choice, guys. That's all. So don't worry about it too much about the chat GPT or any other AI tools. Bye bye, guys, and we'll see you on another video. We'll catch up. Bye bye, guys.